Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Margate taking a look at number 25 Clarendon Road. This extended 1930s semi-detached home offers it all. We've got 5 bedrooms, 4 of which are double in size. We've got the second floor guest room with ensuite. We've got the double garage and adjoining workshop, impressive kitchen diner throughout the entirety of the rear of the property there. We've got integrated appliances throughout and beautiful quartz worktops in the kitchen, and of course the property is arranged over 3 floors with the balcony space. You've got that lovely large driveway to the front extending down the side of the property, and then for added convenience you've got the downstairs WC and utility area. Now location wise, Clarendon Road in Margate, you are just yards away from shops, cafes, bars and restaurants, so this is the perfect lifestyle opportunity, and the property itself obviously something to move straight into and enjoy with your family. Heading through from the main hallway space there, got that beautiful front lounge area with the wood burning stove there forming a focal point to the room, and then across the rear of the property you can see this gorgeous kitchen, huge amounts of light just flooding through there from the windows and the French doors to the back, and then of course another focal point there, the open fireplace. Beautiful flooring here as well. The kitchen itself comes with a full range of integrated appliances, beautiful quartz worktops, and there's plenty more space to work with as well. So a real entertaining space here to the rear of number 25 Clarendon Road. So we've got a lot more to take a look at here on the ground floor. We're going to head through and take a look at, of course, the utility room. We've got the downstairs WC as well. And we're then going to head upstairs and take a look at the impressive space that we've got there, of course, with the balcony as well. Having taken a look at the balconies, we're going to head through and take a look at the bedroom spaces. A beautiful front double bedroom here with fireplace again on the right hand side. Continuation of those bay windows as well there, just getting that extra little bit of space and light aspect as well. As we head out onto the landing, of course you can see we've got plenty more options in where to go next. We've got another bedroom here straight ahead of us there, again with another beautiful fireplace and lovely big open window. Plenty of room in here in this double sized room, that beautiful wood flooring as well. Heading back out onto the landing, we're going to head across and take a look at the main family bathroom here. Beautiful and modern, fantastic tile work there as well. Large bath unit on the right hand side, loo and sink unit there as well, and the corner shower unit with of course the chrome heated towel rail too. Next up we've got even more room to take a look at. We do of course have that second floor guest room with ensuite to go through and take a look at as well, so why not, let's head up there and take a look at what we've got. Now on our way we're just going to start recapping a few points before we end up in the rear garden once we take a look at the double garage there with of course that extended driveway. So heading further up to the second floor here, fantastic bedroom here, 5th bedroom in total, lots of light coming through as well. And then as we go through, then we've got bedroom here with the Velux windows, and of course the ensuite here as well, with plenty of space in there for the double bed too. So there we have it. That has been number 25 Clarendon Road here in Margate, a fantastic extended 1930s semi-detached family home offering 5 bedrooms, 4 of which are double in size. You've got the second floor guest room with ensuite, double garage and adjoining workshop, of course extended down from the driveway space there as well. Impressive kitchen diner across the rear with a range of integrated appliances and quartz worktops, and of course the property is arranged over 3 floors with a balcony. That driveway extending down the side is fantastic. You've got the downstairs WC and utility room for further convenience, and you are of course just yards away from local shops, cafes, bars and restaurants. I really do hope you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.